Play Rummy on Ace to 3 and get a chance to win. First prize 10 lakhs. Download the app from the description box below.
ഇതൊരു ഭയങ്കര ക്യൂട്ട് ആയിട്ടുള്ള പേരാണ് വഫ. So cute, you're so pretty. I love you, and I love you, I love you.
That's serious?
Yeah.
I took boxing lessons for a while.
Boxing?
I met Dulquer for the first time ever in my life, and the first scene was I have to yell at him. Nanipa berry palkabari on noking ninkendum guntavla. First thing I said was all of these Terry and Barry, and then he's just looking at me like what just happened, and he started laughing.
What was it like, the first experience for an actor to be on that big screen?
I was sitting right between mum and my grandmother, and they were just so excited to see me that their excitement overshadowed mine. I couldn't even focus because they were just twice as hyper as I am.
Yeah, that was happening all the time.
And I was embarrassed because they're screaming and everyone is turning back to look who's screaming, and so I'm just sinking down the chair because I don't want people to look.
Okay, so let's see what's in Vaha's bag.
Pepper spray, very important.
My goodness, you're carrying a pepper spray. Is Kochi so dangerous?
No, but I like to feel safe and secure.
Should I just try?
No, that's not a good idea. Wafa means loyal and faithful.
വരൻ ആവശ്യമുണ്ടായില്ല ദുൽഖറിനെ തേച്ചു പോകുന്ന
അതാണ് ഇപ്പൊ എന്റെ ഐഡന്റിറ്റി തേപ്പ് എന്നാണ്.
പ്ലീസ് അങ്ങനെയൊന്നുമല്ല വഫ കേട്ടോ ലോയൽ ആ പേരിൽ തന്നെ ഉണ്ട് ട്രസ്റ്റ്ഫുൾ.
Exactly, because my name means loyal but my identity is തേപ്പ് now. ഹായ് ഹലോ ബിഹൈൻഡ് വുഡ്സ് ഐസ് വ്യൂവേഴ്സ്, വെൽക്കം ടു ആ ഷോ ലിറ്റിൽ ചാറ്റ് വിത്ത് ലെറ്റ്സ്. ഇന്ന് നമ്മളുടെ കൂടെയുള്ള ഗസ്റ്റ് 18-ാം പടി എന്ന ചിത്രത്തിലൂടെ മലയാള സിനിമയിലേക്ക് കടന്നു വന്നു. വരനെ ആവശ്യമുണ്ട് എന്ന ചിത്രത്തിൽ നമ്മുടെ DQനെ തേച്ചിട്ട് പോകുന്ന തേപ്പുകാരി. പുള്ളിക്കാരി മലയാളിയല്ല, മാംഗ്ലൂരിയനാണ്. ബട്ട് ലെറ്റ് മീ വെൽക്കം ദ ഫാബുലസ്, ദ ബ്യൂട്ടിഫുൾ Wafa Khadija to the show Little Chat with Let's. So Wafa Khadija, welcome to the show Little Chat with Let's. Hi Litwin.
Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you, the pleasure is mine.
അപ്പോൾ വഫ ഇതൊരു ഭയങ്കര ക്യൂട്ട് ആയിട്ടുള്ള പേരാണ് വഫ. What does that mean? ഞങ്ങൾ കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ട് ബേവഫ.
Bewafa actually is the exact opposite of Wafa.
Oh,
Bewafa
really?
is bad. You don't want Bewafa.
Oh, okay.
But Wafa means loyal and faithful, which is why you get to hear a lot of Bewafa in songs because why have you been unfaithful to me sort of drama. But my name means faithful.
Okay.
And there's still a lot of controversy in my family as to who chose this name for me. എനിക്ക് ഇതുവരെ സത്യം എന്താണെന്ന് അറിഞ്ഞൂടാ because മമ്മ പറയും മമ്മ ആണ് പേര് വെച്ചത്. മമ്മയുടെ brother is trying to take credit for the same, so is my mother's sister. So I don't know the truth. I don't know who named me.
But anyway, happy you ended up with a nice name.
Thank you. I love my name. Thank you.
Okay. അപ്പോൾ വഫയെ കുറിച്ച് പറയുകയാണെങ്കിൽ വഫ 18-ാം പടിയിലൂടെയാണ് ഫസ്റ്റ് മൂവി അല്ലേ?
Correct.
പിന്നെ അത് കഴിഞ്ഞ് നമുക്ക് ഇതിലാണ് വന്നത് നമ്മുടെ
വരനെ
ആവശ്യമുണ്ടായില്ല ദുൽഖറിനെ തേച്ചു പോകുന്ന
അതാണ് ഇപ്പൊ എന്റെ ഐഡന്റിറ്റി തേപ്പ് എന്നാണ്.
തേപ്പ് എന്നാണ് ഐഡന്റിറ്റി. അയ്യോ പ്ലീസ് അങ്ങനെയൊന്നുമല്ല വഫ കേട്ടോ ലോയൽ ആ പേരിൽ തന്നെ ഉണ്ട് ട്രസ്റ്റ്ഫുൾ.
Exactly, because my name means loyal but my identity is തേപ്പ് now.
ഓക്കെ. സോ അപ്പോൾ വഫയെ കുറിച്ച് പറയാം. എല്ലാവരും വിചാരിക്കുന്നത് വഫ ഇസ് ഒരു ട്രിവാൻഡ്രംകാരിയാണെന്നാണ്. ഓക്കെ. സോ അപ്പം ഒന്നൊന്ന് ക്ലാരിഫൈ ചെയ്തേക്കെ എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഇങ്ങനെ, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അവർ പറയും നമ്മുടെ ട്രോളർമാർ നമ്മുടെ കമന്റ് സെക്ഷനിൽ പറയും ആ കുട്ടി എന്താണ് ഇങ്ങനെ മലയാളം പറയുന്നത്.
അതെനിക്ക് ആക്ച്വലി കുറെ കിട്ടാറുണ്ട് മലയാളത്തിൽ എന്തിനാ സംസാരിക്കുന്നത് ഈ കുട്ടി എന്നൊക്കെ. ബട്ട് ഐ എം നോട്ട് എ മലയാളി. ഞാൻ ട്രിവാൻഡ്രമിൽ ഐ വാസ് ബ്രോട്ട് അപ്പ്. ഐ വെന്റ് ടു സ്കൂൾ ദർ. പക്ഷെ ഞാൻ ബേസിക്കലി മാംഗ്ലൂരിൽ നിന്നാണ്. ഐ വാസ് ബോൺ ദർ. മൈ ഫാമിലി ഈസ് ഫ്രം ദർ. I come from a community called Barry. ഞങ്ങൾ സംസാരിക്കുന്ന ഭാഷയുടെ പേരും ബേരി ഇല്ലെങ്കിൽ നക്നിക്ക് എന്നാണ്. സോ എൻ്റെ മദർ ടങ് അതാണ്, വീട്ടിൽ അതാണ് സംസാരിക്കുന്നത്. പിന്നെ എൻ്റെ സ്കൂളിലൊക്കെ ഇംഗ്ലീഷാണ് നമ്മൾ സംസാരിക്കുന്നത് ബിക്കോസ് അവിടെ റൂൾ ആയിരുന്നു ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് പഠിക്കണം, സോ ഇംഗ്ലീഷിൽ തന്നെ സംസാരിക്കണം. അപ്പോൾ എനിക്ക് മലയാളം അത്ര നന്നായിട്ട് സംസാരിക്കാൻ ഓപ്പർച്യൂണിറ്റി കിട്ടിയില്ല. സ്കൂളിലിരിക്കുമ്പോൾ കിട്ടിയില്ല. കൊച്ചി വന്ന് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് ഞാൻ നന്നായിട്ട് പഠിച്ചു. എൻ്റെ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ് ഹിയർ ആർ വെരി എൻകറേജിങ്. ദേ ട്രൈ ടു സ്പീക്ക് ടു മീ ഇൻ മലയാളം. ഞാൻ മിസ്റ്റേക്സ് ഒന്നും ചെയ്താലും അവരൊന്നും പറയൂല, കളിയാക്കൂല. സോ ഇവിടെ വന്നിട്ട് ഞാൻ കുറച്ച് ഇങ്ങനെ സംസാരിച്ച് പഠിച്ചു വന്നു. ചിലപ്പോ എന്തൊക്കെ പൊട്ടത്തരമൊക്കെ പറയാറുണ്ട്. I am trying really hard.
So അപ്പം വേറെ എനിക്ക് ഫ്രം എ കമ്മ്യൂണിറ്റി കോൾ വേറെ അല്ല. അപ്പൊ അതാണ് നമ്മള് ഇതിൽ വരണ ആവശ്യമുണ്ട് ഇതിൽ കാണുന്നുണ്ട് ഒരു പെട്ടെന്ന് ദുൽഖറിനോട് ഞെട്ടി ഒരു. അപ്പോൾ എന്തായിരിക്കും എന്തെങ്കിലും ഒന്ന് പറയാൻ പറഞ്ഞാൽ വാട്ട് വിൽ ബി എ ഗോ ടു സ്റ്റേറ്റ്മെന്റ് ഇൻ ബേരി?
എനിക്ക് ആക്ച്വലി ഞാൻ എല്ലാ ഇന്റർവ്യൂസിൽ പറഞ്ഞ ഒരു ഗോ ടു സ്റ്റേറ്റ്മെന്റ് ഉണ്ട് ഇൻ ബേരി വിച്ച് ഇസ് ഞാൻ മിക്സ് ചെയ്ത് പോയി മലയാളം ബേരി മിക്സ് ചെയ്ത് പോയി. ഞാനിപ്പോ ബേരി പൽക്കബറിയോ നോക്കിയെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എന്തും ഗൊന്താവില്ല.
ഇപ്പൊ നിങ്ങൾ ഇതെനിക്ക് മനസ്സിലായി. ഞാനിപ്പോ ബേറി പറഞ്ഞാൽ നിങ്ങൾക്കൊന്നും മനസ്സിലാവുന്നില്ല.
യെസ്, ബിക്കോസ് ഞാൻ ഇടയ്ക്ക് മലയാളം പറഞ്ഞു, അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് മനസ്സിലായത്. ഇല്ല ആക്ച്വലി മോസ്റ്റ് മലയാളീസിന് ബേരി മനസ്സിലാവും ബിക്കോസ് ബേരി ഈസ് ബേസിക്കലി ഇറ്റ്സ് ലൈക്ക് എ ബോറോഡ് ലാംഗ്വേജ്. അത് ബേരിന്റെ ഒരു സ്ക്രിപ്റ്റ് ഇല്ല. സോ ഇറ്റ്സ് ലൈക്ക് എ മിക്സ് ഓഫ് ഓൾ ദ ലാംഗ്വേജസ് ദാറ്റ് ഇസ് സ്പോക്കൺ അറൌണ്ട് ഇറ്റ്. കുറച്ച് മലയാളം ഉണ്ട്, കന്നഡ ഉണ്ട്, തുളു ഉണ്ട്, ഉറുദു ഉണ്ട്, എല്ലാത്തിന്റെ മിക്സ് ആണ്. സോ മലയാളീസിന് ഈസിലി മനസ്സിലാവാറുണ്ട്. കുറെ മലയാളി വേർഡ്സ് ഒക്കെ ഉണ്ട്. വാട്ടർ തണ്ണി എന്നാണ് പറയുന്നത്. സോ ദാറ്റ് ഇസ് തമിഴ് ഫോർ വാട്ടർ. സോ അങ്ങനെ കുറെ
മൊത്തം ഒരു മിക്സ് സാമ്പാർ വരുവാണ് ലാംഗ്വേജ് അല്ലേ. പക്ഷെ അത് ഞങ്ങൾ ഭയങ്കര എൻജോയ് ചെയ്ത്. കാരണം അത് ദുൽഖറിനായിട്ട് അങ്ങനെ ഷൗട്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ദുൽഖർ തന്നെ പറയുന്നുണ്ട്, ഡി കെ തന്നെ പറയുന്നുണ്ട്, അത് നല്ല രസമുണ്ടല്ലോ ഇത് രസമുണ്ട് കേൾക്കാൻ. പക്ഷെ ഒന്നും മനസ്സിലാവുന്നില്ല.
ആക്ച്വലി ഞങ്ങൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് അത് ആ സീൻ ഷൂട്ട് ചെയ്തപ്പോൾ ദുൽഖർ ഹാഡ് നോ ഐഡിയ ദാറ്റ് ഐ എം ഗോയിങ് ടു സ്പീക്ക് ഇൻ അനദർ ലാംഗ്വേജ്. ബിക്കോസ് outside the theater that yelling scene was the first time I met him. And he doesn't know about the language background. Anup onnum parnitilla that you know she's going to be speaking in another language. We just went on set. I met Dulquer for the first time ever in my life. And the first scene was I have to yell at him. That was the first thing. So and he had no idea. It was so funny because the first thing I said was all of these Terry and Barry and then he's just looking at me like what just happened and he started laughing.
So appo anyway adile ipo Wafade entry parayanengile you got to share അതായത് ദ ഗ്രേറ്റ് മമ്മൂക്കയുടെ കൂടെ സ്ക്രീൻ സ്പേസ് ഷെയർ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റി. പിന്നെ ഉടനെ അതാ നെക്സ്റ്റ് മൂവിയിൽ ദുൽഖറിന്റെ കൂടെ അല്ലേ. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് സംതിങ് റിയലി ലക്കി ഫോർ ദാറ്റ്. അപ്പോൾ എങ്ങനെയാണ് മൂവീസിലേക്ക് ഒരു എൻട്രി എന്തായിരുന്നു? അത് പ്ലാൻഡ് ആയിരുന്നു അല്ലെങ്കിൽ എന്തൊരു ഫോർച്യുനേറ്റ് ആയിട്ട് വന്ന് ശരി?
അല്ല, ആക്ച്വലി ഒട്ടും പ്ലാൻഡ് അല്ല. ഐ മീൻ I feel like, you know, in my community, the entertainment industry was not something that was openly encouraged or promoted, right? And growing up, I never thought I always thought I'd become a lawyer or an architect. I never thought that I'd be a part of the entertainment industry professionally. പക്ഷേ എൻ്റെ ഫാമിലിയിൽ കൾച്ചറൽസ് കുറേ എൻകറേജ് ചെയ്യാറുണ്ട്. ലൈക്ക് ഇൻ സ്കൂൾ ഞാൻ എല്ലാത്തിലും പാർട്ടിസിപ്പേറ്റ് ചെയ്യും. ഞാൻ ഡാൻസും ആക്ടിങ് ഡ്രാമ അതൊക്കെ ചെയ്യാറുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. മൈ മം യൂസ് ടു ടീച്ച് മീ. ഷീ ഈസ് ഓൾസോ എ റിയലി ഗുഡ് dancer and, you know, actor and all. She used to really push me for all these things. Daddy also. But Padinatam Padi happened, I think, when I was in third year in college. And Sajana Aunty, Sajana Najam, she's a choreographer. And she's also my close friend's mum. She is my close friend's mum. So she knew me because she used to teach me dancing school. And her daughter Riya was one of the ADs in Shankar Sir's film. And Shankar Sir was looking for somebody with a certain look, I think, that he wanted, who looked very naive and gullible. And they just thought of me and she asked me to go for this interview and meet Shankar Sir. Appo I was not at all prepared for it. ഞാൻ ചുമ്മാ ഇങ്ങനെ സജന ആൻറ്റി പറഞ്ഞു, സോ ഞാൻ പോവാന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടാണ് പോയത്. ബിക്കോസ് യു നോ സജന ആൻറ്റി ഈസ് റിയലി ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻറ്റ് ടു മീ. I didn't think that I would actually go through with it. But I loved meeting Shankar Sir. He's very Samsarikan, he's really nice. And he's also a lawyer, so we had a lot of things to bond about. So angane we spoke kore naram samsarichu. I didn't think that, you know, I just thought, okay, this was a nice experience. I spoke to somebody who's very intelligent. I didn't think I would get that follow-up call about actually playing the part. But within the next day he called me and he said, you know what, let's move to the next step.
So appo pinne screening aayi karyangalai. Appo engane ippam you basically by profession you are a lawyer alle? Appo from lawyer to an actor. അപ്പോൾ എങ്ങനെ അപ്പോൾ ഈ ഒരു സ്ക്രീനിങ് കഴിഞ്ഞു, then you thought അപ്പോൾ well at that time അപ്പം പഠിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയായിരുന്നു?
Even now actually I just graduated. I haven't started working yet.
Not started working yet. അപ്പം so what is that? ഇനിയും എന്താണ് കുറച്ച് projects ഒക്കെ ചെയ്തിട്ട് ഇനി വർക്ക് ചെയ്താൽ മതിയോ?
ഇല്ല, I actually already got a job. I'll be working for Ernst & Young. And അതല്ലാതെ I'll be enrolling also on the 26th. So I'll be officially advocate Wafa Khatija.
Wow, congrats on that. Okay.
Thank you.
That's nice. So I know this bond between you and Ahana and that whole team of Padinatam Padi. That was when they're all youngsters and so much of energy.
That was it was a lot of fun.
So and moving on, I think you became best friends with Ahana. You know her before?
No. Ahana and I were in the same school. So Riya, Ahana, me, we were all used to be in the same dances growing up. So angane enike I'm close to Ahana ever since I was in school. My mum and Ahana's mum also are really close. So I've known the family for a long time.
Okay, that's cool. So then moving on to something serious. Okay. You how many messages do you get on a day or a basic day, how many messages do you get on Insta that you're so cute, you're so pretty, I love you, and
That's serious?
yeah, all these messages, and I asked you this because your friend Ahana, she was like, she was a victim of this cyberbullying, and she wrote a love letter to the cyber bullies. Okay, so what's your take on that? How should you react as a this is like an official lawyer? We are asking her, what should we do, or what should the girls do if they face something like that?
See, I don't, as of now, I don't think there is a very good comprehensive law to cover cyberbullying right now. Like, it's really vague.
Okay.
So I think legally that's one thing we can really do, identify the problem and develop a proper law to address cyberbullying, which is what we can do legally.
Okay.
But as people, I think we need to condemn the issue as a whole. It's important to do it gracefully, because if you don't do it gracefully, then you end up getting into trouble as well.
Okay.
So yeah, two things: one, legally what you can do, and two, secondly, as a human, you need to condemn it. You need to stand up for the people who are going through it, and talk to the people who are doing it.
Okay.
Shame that kind of behavior, because that kind of behavior should not be encouraged.
Okay.
But do it gracefully.
Yes. So that is one point we should do. We should, but I think we should face that problem, right? Means I actually, on that note, I would say something else. It's like, now we have something called we have legs challenge going on. You
Yeah.
heard about that?
Yeah, I have, yeah.
Okay. So I was thinking is as an actress, there is some social responsibilities. Yeah. So, and when it comes to certain things, it's not when someone from the acting community is attacked, we should be protesting against that. But
Right.
when something socially happens, do you really think actors or an actor or someone should take note of that and also be a part of the protest?
Right. So you're right about the part where as actors you have social responsibility, but at the same time I think as a community, when we see an actor or a public person, we tend to think of that person as a saint, because that's just, you expect them to be a saint.
Yeah.
You don't ever think of that person as someone who can be flawed, who can make mistakes, who might not be right all the time. So, and I feel that is wrong on on the part of the community. I wouldn't say wrong, but it's you having too many expectations of a person when you expect that person to be right all the time. When you're a public person, you don't get as many chances to make mistakes and learn from them as ordinary people do, because your entire life is public. It's for them to judge.
Yeah.
So, yeah, that's what I have to say.
Okay. So we were all in this lockdown period. So what did you learn something new at least, or what were you busy with?
I learned to cook.
That's like, I would be very frank with you. I think this is the third person telling me that I tried cooking and it came out good. Yeah.
No, I didn't just try cooking. I learned to cook like a proper boss. I'm one of the good cooks in my family right now. I'm pretty quick at it also. So that's one thing. Plus, I think I made it a habit to start working out regularly.
Okay.
So it was not something that was a part of my life as a regular thing, because I used to dance once in a while, but I didn't really take that seriously. But now I work out not just because I'm conscious about my body, but to live a healthy lifestyle.
Okay.
And that works well for me.
So what is the best thing that you can cook?
I don't know if you've heard of Chef Tizak, but he has this great green. I know it sounds like a really simple thing, but he has this great curry called Alsande Tonak, which is supposed to be a Goan pulse curry. It's my favorite thing.
Okay,
I can eat it plain like that.
Is it good?
Yeah, you can ask her. Sure.
Will mom give me an approval that it's really good?
100% sure.
Yeah. Okay, that's fine. So I also know you are a good singer, a pretty good singer.
That's actually a lie. It's a big fat lie. I'm a good dancer, but I can't sing.
You can sing a few lines for our viewers.
I can?
Yeah, you can. I think you're really good with that Umbrella song of Rihanna.
Oh, you've done your research.
Yeah, yes, I did.
Okay, I will try to sing, but let me warn you, I am not a singer.
Okay.
And I feel like anybody who claims to be even remotely good at singing will want to kill me for this. But
That's okay.
okay. You want me to sing now?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you remember me? Like I remember you. Do you spend your life going back in your mind to the time? 'Cause I walk the streets alone. I have been on my own, and everyone can see that I really fell, and I'm going through hell, thinking about you with somebody else. Somebody wants you, somebody needs you, somebody dreams about you every single night. Somebody can't breathe without you, it's lonely. Somebody hopes one day you will see that somebody's me. That's about it.
Wow, wonderful, wonderful.
Thank you. You're
Yeah,
just being generous, but
No,
thank you.
It's really great. So it's like your next movie. Okay, you have an option to star with 4 people. Whom would you choose? Nivin Pauly, Tovino, Dulquer, Fahad.
Fahad.
Fahad. Yeah, I knew this is a Fahad fan. Okay, so the next thing. What do you think is the best character in you?
My loyalty. Like I said, I try to live up to my name.
Okay, that's really. What is one thing that really makes you happy?
Friends and family.
Friends and family.
I feel like I'm giving very cliche answers, but this is the truth.
Truth. Okay. So who is your best critic?
My mom.
Okay, what was it like, the first experience for an actor to be on that big screen?
I think I was sitting right between mom and my grandmother,
Okay.
and they were just so excited to see me that their excitement overshadowed mine. So I was just sitting there because I couldn't even focus because they were just twice as hyper as I am.
Yeah, that was happening all the time. Okay.
And I was embarrassed because they're screaming and everyone is turning back to look who's screaming, and so I'm just sinking down the chair because I don't want
it's
people
me.
to look.
Oh, it's me. Okay, so that's one thing. So are you working on any new projects or what's happening?
I did a short film a few days ago. I had this shoot.
Okay.
Melissa Raju Thomas, she did a part in Muthon. She debuted in Muthon.
Yeah.
She's also a writer and she's directing also. So she came up with this script. She wrote the script and she wanted to make a short film out of it. And the topic was something that was kind of close to my heart. So we worked on it. It's all hush hush now. Like I don't want to talk about it too much because
Okay.
I'm sure she wants to. So
So നമ്മളിപ്പം വഫയുടെ കൂടെ put a finger down challenge. അപ്പോൾ വഫ, are you ready for the challenge?
yes, I am.
Okay, then put your 10 fingers out.
I have sausage-like fingers, short and
That's
stubby.
okay. That's fine. Okay, so put a finger down if you have a crush.
Okay.
Okay, so put your finger down if your heart was broken. Really? Was it too bad?
I mean, your heart can be broken for many reasons. So
okay.
yeah.
Okay, so put a finger down if you bunked college. Put a finger down if you have snuck out of home.
No.
No. So put a finger down if you have lightly adichumati something from your friend.
Adichumati is like
Adichumati,
stolen.
Yeah, like, just grab nab and run.
I
or
have.
something.
I have.
Yeah.
I have. But
Okay.
obviously, like I have like declared it later that I've taken this. But
Okay,
yeah.
yeah, you have. Okay, then put a finger down if you like to get a tattoo.
No.
No.
Too permanent. Like I keep changing my mind. I'm fickle, so I can't deal with something that's so permanent.
Okay, okay. So put a finger down if you had stage fear. Yes. Put a finger down if you are a great singer. Okay, you can put your finger down.
No.
We give the approval for that.
I'm not doing that.
No, you're not doing that. Put a finger down if you have a great smile. Somebody has complimented a smile.
Yeah.
When was the last time someone gave you a compliment on smile?
Yesterday.
Yesterday. And who was that?
Somebody I think in my comment box.
Okay. That's great. Put a finger down if you are receiving a lot of text responses on your Insta or your FB. We really like you. We have a crush on you, or I love you messages and all that. Yeah. Okay. Put a finger down if you think all this attention happening in your life is just awesome. Yeah. Okay. So that was put a finger down challenge. I think you did pretty good.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I feel like I've lived a fulfilling life now.
Yeah, exactly. So Wafa, we are going to do this challenge. What's on your phone? Show me your phone. Yeah, that's a nice phone.
Thank you.
What's your WhatsApp DP?
It's the same picture that was there in Varanyavishamundu, the picture that called Dulquer to break up with him.
Okay.
This was that
This is that picture. Okay.
Yeah.
So what's your last dial?
The number I dialed last, or
Yeah, the number you dialed last.
to my friend Gokul,
What's your wallpaper?
my cat.
Your cat. Oh, we forgot to talk about the beautiful guy. Oh, what's his name?
Bruce.
Bruce.
Bruce Wayne Rahman, named after Bruce Wayne,
Bruce Wayne.
Batman.
Okay. So I think now you get to spend a lot of time with Bruce.
Yeah, he's getting like, I'm afraid that he's going to have like be too attached and find it difficult to survive when I go to work,
Okay.
because you know he's so used to having me around. So separation anxiety for pets is a real thing.
Yes. Okay. So your last selfie?
My last selfie was with my cat. This one.
Yeah. So that's the last selfie. Okay. Last Google search.
Damn it, this can be controversial, right? My last Google search was old paintings. I don't know why.
Why old paintings? Okay.
Oh no, it was actually to find out what the Kangana Urmila controversy was.
Okay. Okay. So what was the last thing you shopped online?
My mother does all my online shopping. I never buy my clothes. My mom is my personal stylist. She buys all
Okay.
my clothes.
Okay. So whom did you last text?
It's a group I have with my friend Gokul, his sister, and his brother-in-law.
Okay.
The group is named Poop.
Okay. Can you read out the text for us? If that's
It's a picture from their wedding, and I look really emotional in the background when they're getting married.
Okay.
So they've like circled it and sent, are you crying?
Okay.
Yeah, that's all.
Okay. The most used app?
Instagram.
Instagram. Most used emoji?
Smiley, I think I smile a lot, so that I
Smile.
use that on text as
Okay.
well.
Last song you listened on the phone?
I think it was a Spanish song, because I like Shakira a lot, and
Okay.
you know, belly dancing and that kind of music. So where is my music app? It's Que Calor, Spanish.
Spanish. Okay. So your last browsing page, I think that was Google, the one which with old paintings, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So number of photos on your phone?
2,351.
Okay, that's okay. Okay. Most famous people on your contact list?
I think it could be Ahana or maybe Anup.
One blocked contact.
I have so many.
So many,
So many.
so
I
many.
block a lot of people.
Okay.
But it's the best thing I've learned, you know, because I think after a certain age, you're so naive when you're young, but you need to learn to filter out people in your life.
Exactly.
So when I finally learned how important it is to filter out people in your life, it was just like block.
Okay. That's fine. So അങ്ങനെ what's on your phone challenge കഴിഞ്ഞു. Now next challenge we are throwing at you, Wafa, is what's in your bag. Are you ready for the challenge?
Yeah.
Okay, please, let's go. The first thing,
Eye mask.
eye mask. Mask is all. Oh, eye mask.
Eye mask.
Eye mask.
Because when
okay.
I easily want to sleep in the car when someone else is driving.
Okay.
So
And
I carry
what
an
is
eye
all
mask.
that? Okay.
Thor.
Yeah, Thor. Okay. Okay, wonderful. So the next
Tissues.
thing, tissues. Everybody
And a
carries tissues.
sanitizer, 'cause it's important.
Must have. Yes.
This is my wallet.
Valid. Okay.
Pepper spray, very important.
My goodness, you're carrying a pepper spray.
I do, it is important.
Is Kochi so dangerous?
No, but I like to
You don't
feel
know, yeah,
safe
yeah,
and
okay,
secure.
okay,
Like I
I
know that
understand.
I'm strong enough to defend myself, but if I don't have to use my fist, I'd rather use my pepper spray.
Oh, that's fine. So have you learned any,
I took boxing lessons for a while. I
Boxing,
wouldn't say
boxing, huh? Boxing
No, I
lessons.
wouldn't say that I'm really good at it or anything.
But at least you can punch someone now.
Yeah, I can. And
can?
I feel very secure about. I don't think I'm the kind of person who'd feel completely helpless or like a damsel in.
Sorry?
I can
She can
choke.
choke. So mom was giving the bull, this is one dangerous girl. She can punch someone down and she can even choke someone, right?
Yeah, but that's again something I learned from my mum. She has never been afraid. Like I'm sure all women have gone through uncomfortable situations. I don't know a single woman who hasn't gone through anything uncomfortable with regard to their safety.
Yeah.
So I remember when I was very young and I was in a train and I went through something that was uncomfortable for me. She stood up for me like a boss.
Oh, yeah.
I was only like 9 or 10 years old. I didn't know what was happening.
Okay.
But because she knew how to handle it and I saw her being fierce and strong and like, you know, hitting that guy, I know how to do that for myself right now.
Okay.
So I think that's what more people need to do. They need to be fierce in front of their daughters and their children so that they know that, you know, it's not okay for you to do this to me. And they learn to defend themselves properly.
Wonderful. Okay, so let's go to the next thing.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Perfume?
This perfume. What's that? Last.
This is something my grandma got me.
Oh, that's.
So most of my shopping is things that my family members get me. I'm
Mom
not.
gets all the clothes.
Yeah.
Grandma give you the perfume. What is the flavor? What is
This is fruity. All of my flavors are fruity.
Oh,
I
okay.
like fruity kind of perfumes.
Wonderful.
Then I have allergy medication because I get allergies easily.
Okay.
And makeup.
Makeup. A lot of makeup?
No, just mascara, CC
Okay.
cream, compact.
Okay, good. Can I just read out the brand name at least?
Sure, this is Sephora.
Okay.
This is Lakme.
Wonderful.
And what is this, ma? This is
Lakme is.
Colossal Kajal Lakme. Yeah, I think.
See, I know better.
Yeah, I told you
I'm
she does
doing
all
this
this.
challenge.
The greatest disappointment of my mother's life is that I'm not into as much into fashion and makeup and clothes as she is.
Okay.
If I had the option, I would walk in here with my brother's t-shirt and jeans.
Uh-huh. That would be
She
the
wouldn't
most...
allow it.
Oh, that's not how, you know,
Yeah.
that's mom always.
Oh, and I have a bracelet.
Okay.
Yeah, that's about it, I think.
That's
Then I have some change because change is always important.
Yeah, always important. Okay. So that was all in Wafa's bag. You know, let me see the pepper spray. Should I just try?
No, that's not a good idea. But this, I haven't had to use it yet. Like
Yet,
I've just
okay,
kept it in my
okay.
bag. I haven't
Okay.
used a pepper spray
Okay.
yet.
Let's wish you never have to use that again. Okay.
Hopefully.
Yeah. Okay. So that was what in Wafa's bag. So thank you so much, Wafa, for being, you know, coming here and spending so much time for us.
Thank you. That was
And
fun.
Yeah, it was fun, and would like to see you more. Yeah, more in the
Likewise.
movies, and you know, come and meet us as well.
Thank you.
Okay?
That's really
Thank
nice
you
of
so
you to
much.
say.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Play Rummy on Ace to 3 and get a chance to win from 10 lakhs pool. Download the app from the description box below.